Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Jahangir Science School. I am Jahangir Alam. Today I am going to discuss about IGCSE O level physics, IGCSE O level physics, Unit 6, Unit 6, Unit 6, Magnetism and Electromagnetism. Magnetism and electromagnetism. Magnetism. What is the meaning of magnetism? Magnetism, the property of the magnet is called the properties of magnet is called magnetism. Properties of magnet is called magnetism. What is the properties of magnet? So what is the magnet? Magnet, the material which can attract iron or iron-like material, iron-like metal, and if we suspended it freely, then it align north-south direction is called magnet. So in our universe, there are some material which can attract iron or iron-like other metal, iron-like other metal. So the material which are attract iron or iron-like metal, and if we suspended it freely, then it align north-south direction. Then that type of material is known as magnet. Magnet has three characteristics or properties. One is attractional properties, another is directional properties, and magnetic poles. Every magnet has two poles, north facing pole and south facing pole. These three characteristics of magnet is called magnetism. So magnets are able to attract object made from magnetic material. So now what is magnetic material? Magnetic material, the material which are attracted by magnet and can be converted into magnet by the help of other magnet or electricity is called magnetic material. On the other hand, there is another type material in the universe, non-magnetic material. Non-magnetic material. Non-magnetic material, the material which are not attracted by magnet and cannot be converted into magnet by the help of other magnet or electricity is called non-magnetic material, like plastic, rubber, glass, ceramic, wood, dry wood, all type this insulating material is non-magnetic material. On the other hand, the material which are attracted by the magnet and can be converted into magnet by the help of other magnet like iron, cobalt, nickel, steel, or all are magnetic material. There are two types of magnetic material: hard magnetic material, and soft magnetic material. Hard magnetic material, the material which are difficult to magnetize and difficult to demagnetize. That means the magnetization remain inside the material long time once magnetized. So that type of material is known as hard magnetic material. Hard magnetic material is used to make permanent magnet. And soft magnetic material, the material which are uh, easy to magnetize and difficult, easy to demagnetize. That means magnetization loses the material which loses magnetization rapidly if the source of magnetism is removed.